Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi X20 over. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi X20 over is losing suction while cleaning, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a clogged filter or a malfunctioning motor. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, making your vacuum less effective and potentially costing more in repairs down the line. To get started on this repair, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement motor if necessary. First, ensure your Xiaomi X20 over is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the dust container. Next, using the small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding the casing together. With the casing open, locate the motor assembly. This is usually situated at the base of the device. Inspect the motor for any visible damage or blockages. If the motor appears to be the culprit, you will need to disconnect it. Gently unplug the motor's cables, taking care not to pull too hard as this could damage surrounding components. Once the cables are disconnected, you can remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. When removing the motor, remember to apply even pressure and avoid forcing it out, as this could damage nearby parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you have replaced the motor, reconnect the cables securely, ensuring they are plugged in correctly. Once everything is in place, carefully close the casing, making sure all clips engage properly. Finally, replace the screws at the back of the device to secure it. Now, test your Xiaomi X20 over to ensure it is functioning correctly and has regained its suction power. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the filters regularly and check for blockages after each use. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your vacuum. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.